Today, we are going to train your English voice to use yet and already. We use already to explain that something happened before an expected time. Have a look at the sentence example. I have already received the invitation to their wedding next year. So perhaps you only expected the invitation in September, but you received the invitation in July. So you received it earlier than expected. So we use the word already. Let's have a look at another example. I have already been paid. So this shows that it has already happened and it happened before an expected time. We use yet mainly with questions and negative sentences. Have a look at the question. Have you asked her to go out tonight yet? We are using it in a question. And have a look at the answer. No, I haven't asked her yet. Okay? So I still plan on doing it in the future, but I haven't asked her yet. No and haven't make that sentence negative. Let's have a look at another example. Is Tom home yet? And my answer, no, he isn't home yet. So I am expecting him home, but he is not home now. He is not home yet. Sometimes we can use still not or yet in sentences. Using still not means surprise or impatience. So have a look at the question. Have you asked her to go out tonight yet? I used yet in that question. Now have a look at question 2. Have you still not asked her to go out tonight? So that still not shows a bit more emphasis and perhaps some impatience. Let's have a look at one last example. Is Tom still not home? So here there is a bit more emphasis and perhaps some impatience by using still not. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.